Good morning, 7th graders, and happy snow day number 2. I hope you enjoy your second day off. You need to do your digital day assignments, okay? A lot of you did my assignment yesterday, but not all of you, and I hope you're doing all the rest of your classes, or you're going to regret it when you come back to school tomorrow, assuming we have school, because you're going to be really far behind and you're going to have 14 things on ICU that you need to make up, okay? Make sure you're doing your assignments. Some of you still didn't finish last week's IXL, but even after I said it yesterday in the video. Dan, Annie, Alex, you need to finish M1, M2. Shane, you need to finish M1, M2. Okay? And then yesterday's IXL, Damien, make sure you finish that. And Carter, Shane, Brennan, Willow, Isaiah, make sure you finish that as well. Those all need to be to 80. If your name is not on this list, it means you've already finished them. Okay? Today's IXL for your digital day will be X4. And that one only needs to go to 70. Okay, you don't need to go up to 80 on this one, just 70. And that is for everybody, right? All students should do that up to 70. I'm going to go over a couple examples here quick. So it's just like yesterday, except instead of just moving the point, you need to say where the point is. So it'll tell you up here where you're moving it. So this is 4 units left. So I just take this point and I go 4 to the left. Now, it won't have you click a point or anything, but if you want to turn on the writing feature, you could make a little mark there. So, and then you need to figure out where the points are. So if I look, it goes over 2 and down 3. So my point would be at 2, -3. Do another one here. This one says down 1, so I'd make my point right here. And I know if I looked here, it would go over 1, down 2. So my point would be at 1, -2. Sometimes they'll ask you to do more than one thing. Sometimes it'll just be one, like in these examples. So if it helps, maybe draw a little mark on there. Otherwise, you can just do it in your head too, and you just need to write the new coordinates. If you need any help with this today, make sure you let me know either on Reminder on Schoology, and I'll plan on seeing you tomorrow. Have a good day.